Hi there, this is Ben with MediaAgility. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use chat, rooms, and meet within your Gmail inbox. If you're new to G Suite or Google Workspace, chat, rooms, and meet are three tools that you're going to find very, very helpful. If there's something that you're already familiar with, hopefully you'll be able to pull out a couple new things to help drive your optimization and the ways that you use them even more from this video. So first, I want to talk about chat. Depending on your layout, all of these could be rather hidden over here to the left, but chat, rooms, and meet are all going to be visible over here if you expand them. Chat, just like other tools such as Slack, allows you to send instant messages to, whether it's other workers or it could be folks at other organizations that have a Gmail account. So unlike Slack that requires somebody to have a Slack account, anybody who has a Gmail account, you're able to interact with. And so to launch a new chat conversation, you can just click that little plus button and type in somebody's name. So I want to start messaging Aubrey here. And by clicking that, I now am able to say, hey, start a conversation with him. Now, in our conversation, it may come up that, do you have a minute to connect about the report? So I could be waiting. I could choose to wait and find out if he does. I could also go ahead and actually just upload the report itself. So perhaps we need to review Project Genome. I can add that there. For reference. And of course, it'll prompt me to share it with him. And I've shared that document. I can also upload documents from my drive using this button. I can share emojis. If I wanted to say something is well, I was going to say something was important or urgent, but really you can share any of your emojis. So maybe you're happy about it. And if you also wanted to, you can upload documents from your drive and you can launch a meeting, a video meeting. So if I'm sitting here thinking, hey, do you have a minute to connect about this report? I realize it would be much easier if we just had a moment to talk together with one click and enter. Now we can simply click here and it will launch us into a video meeting. So we can just have a conversation in person. All of that done simply through this chat. I can also, if I know, hey, why don't we try for later today? I can go and by pressing this little plus button, I can schedule an event. And by default, it's going to add it to my calendar and invite Aubrey. So we can choose this and we're going to move this for, let's see here, suggested times at 3:30. Everybody can attend. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. And now this is added to our calendar and it's also added to our chat for reference. So by clicking that, it will take you right to all of the details and you can join that with Google Meet, or if you're meeting in person, it will have all of these details in there as well. All of that done just from your little chat window here. In addition, you can have group conversations. So if you wanted your entire team to have a small group conversation, you can do that. You can also create rooms. And I want to show you what rooms are next. So rooms, think of rooms as you once thought of physical rooms, where once upon a time you would get together in a conference room or a working room in order to collaborate on a project. Maybe there's a handful of different tasks, a handful of different things that your team is working on. Your rooms allow you to have a centralized hub to work on those. So again, maybe there's something that you just want to have some team updates. You can have that as one thread where folks can respond to that, add emojis, all of that good stuff. So it can be a hub for basic communication. It can also be a hub for important updates and collaboration. And so you can add, as you can see here, you can add files. You can create documents right here. So you can create documents as slides, sheets, or docs. You can launch a video meeting. You can schedule meetings. You can upload documents. And of course, you can add emojis. And if you did want to collaborate on this, but you don't want to leave your inbox, you can actually keep your chat open. So you could be going back and forth and saying, at John, could you take a look at column D? And so you're able to chat while actually working in the document at the same time. All of this through Rooms. When you're done, just click this little X and you're right back to your inbox again. So this is Rooms. If you wanted to start a new section, you can, of course, just create a new thread, and that will allow you to, name it whatever you want. This is just a test thread. But now folks can respond to that. So you can follow up and say, this thread is for posting test comments. And now folks can respond to that as they like, right? So maybe they think that's really funny. They can add that emoji. They can add a meeting, all of that good stuff. And now if somebody comes down here, they're able to click and join a video meeting just like that. So again, it's finding a way to bring all of your collaboration, all of your communication into one central place. Now, through both of our conversation about chat and Rooms, we have mentioned Google Meet. So I want to mention that on the nose. Google Meet is the video conferencing tool that comes baked into Google Workspace and G Suite. It is highly integrated and extremely useful when having conversations because you can add it very simply into your chat, into your Rooms, and you can also launch a meeting here just by clicking New Meeting. And as simple as that, you can launch the meeting. You can send invites to others by copying the link and sending that to others, or by sending an email to them. You can copy the link here and send that. Maybe it's via chat, maybe it's via email. You can send that to others to simply start a meeting here. So you don't even have to launch an app. You can also review all of your meetings for the day, all in one place. So you can see, okay, what's coming up on my calendar as it relates to my video meetings using Meet. And you're able to choose, maybe you need to join a little bit early. So you can choose to join now. You see who's attending. You can also create a new meeting here. Very simply, you can edit each of these in your calendar, all of this through the Meet down here. You can also go to Meet through your little waffle icon, come up here, and you're able to create a new meeting. You're able to view your existing meetings, all of that good stuff here. And then finally, you can also view your meetings through your calendar. So if you click on any meeting that's upcoming, you're able to join with Google Meet, and that will take you there. You can also create a new event and add Google Meet conferencing naturally to that event by default. So again, it's just another way that it is extremely integrated, extremely easy to use Google Meet. If you have some questions about ways to use Google Meet in particular, we'll cover that in one of the next videos. But I just wanted to show you how you can use chat, how you can use Rooms, and how you can use Meet all together. And all of that is within your Gmail inbox. You don't even have to open another app to get there. Hopefully you found this helpful and are able to save some time using these great tools that are all integrated into your inbox.